you believe in love?
Guys, I'm in Zambia, guys. Lusaka, I'm famous, but
How crazy
if you know, guys, home sweet home, I'm here.
Baby, stop.
I'm roasting the maize.
Take it easy.
No, this is a roasted maize.
Can you believe? I swear I can breathe.
This maize is not very dry.
You really can, baby.
So you
Ibonga yo omesa.
add a little
You are my fantasy, my only desire. Akutekereza nijoro bituma nasinzira. 'Cause you make me fall in love, darling, darling. If you touch me one more time, I might lose my mind. Baby, it's too much here.
This is very nice, guys. You're waiting to be ready. Then we add some salt and we eat it. Support Iron Lady, guys. I'm home sweet home in Sunday, guys. Thank you, my subscribers, my viewers. Keep on supporting Iron Lady, guys. I want to hit 1,000. This is onion, spring onion. If you know, you know. This is spring onion. Yeah, my brother just planted it, guys. You know, it's good to have your own plots, like your farm. Then you plant to have chickens. Everything is cool, guys. Home sweet home. Yeah. Shwaya, guys. Roasted maize. If you know, you know. Africa is sweet, guys. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Guys, you got me. Wow. Ciao.